I'm gonna be dropping a song on SoundCloud, so follow my SoundCloud. It's gonna be in the description. Been a while since I made a video, bro. So this is like the velli or velli. I don't want to say his name. Preset video, I guess. It consists of like, I'll say like 4 presets. So I'ma play the song that I got here, and then I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So let me just play it and shut up.
She left me in the dust and I say thank you. I wanted it out cause I couldn't change you. Just look in the mirror, you know it's not the same you. Kinda done right now cause I couldn't save you.
Okay, I'm gonna show without the beat now, so let me just mute the beat real quick.
She left me in the dust and I say thank you. I wanted it out cause I couldn't change you. Just look in the mirror, you know it's not the same you. Kinda done right now cause I couldn't save you.
Okay, so first we got the main preset right here. So this is the main preset. The links to all presets will be in the description, by the way. So if you want like any of the presets, so yeah. So main preset. Then now we got the ad-lib preset. So this is it. Okay, right. Then that's the first ad-lib preset or the second preset. Then there's another ad-lib preset which is basically the same thing, but it has a feedback killer effect, what makes it sound like muffled. So I'm gonna show y'all. You can hear the difference. So it sounds more muffled. Then we have this last preset. Well, this is like Ecstasy's preset. This isn't mine, but I'm gonna still put a link. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. And that's like all the presets, and that's basically it. If you like the video, subscribe. I'm gonna start dropping again, I guess. But yeah, that's all. Love y'all, man. Bye.